I want to welcome you back to another video, and if it's your first time here, my name is Young Fizz. I also go by Mr. Dope Status on Instagram. You can follow me there. I make a lot of helpful machine tutorials as well as other audio related content. Today we're going to be diving into a brand new expansion from Native Instruments, and this one is called Midnight Flow, and it features a lot of different keys. You have these chopped drums, you have these nice sort of guitars, and it just has like this kind of gloomy rainy day feel to it, and it has these different textures such as the vinyl texture, and it just keeps you calm and focused. So if this expansion is for you, I'm gonna leave a download link in the description box below. It's your boy Young Fizz. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe so you don't miss a thing. Let's dive right into the video. All right, so I am using the Machine Plus to comb through some of these presets. I'm looking at a total of 50 here, so we're just gonna fly through them and see what Midnight Flow has to offer. Let's get into it. Yeah, so definitely bluesy, jazzy. I felt some neo soul, some gospel chords in there. And again, I'm gonna leave the link in the description box below. So if this is for you, definitely go and hit that affiliate link in the description box below. It helps out the channel a lot, and we will see you on the next video. Thank you for tuning in, and we are out.